Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I do have my eyes on, yes, and I do my brows, but I have not done the rest of my face other than my skincare. So I want to show you this new blurring face primer, and I think you're going to really like it. And I'm going to put it on one side of my face, and we're going to look at the difference. So come on with me. I want you to see this. Now, this is actually a brand new product, and I've been using it, I don't know, for about a month now, maybe. Love it. Absolutely love it. It does blur my pores, and so I want to show you how to use it. I'm going to put it on one side of my face, and I just absolutely think it's amazing because it is a blurring primer, face primer. And I love the fact that it's not waxy. It's very creamy. So look, see how that comes out? Perfect. It even has a great smell to it. Now, take it with your fingers like this. And I'm going to put it on one side. And let's see if it looks any different. Now, yes, I do put it underneath my eyes. I have done that. I really like the way it works. I like the way it goes on. It's very creamy. It just gives your skin a beautiful glow. I'm gonna put a little more, and we're gonna do up here. And then I'm gonna come up close so you can see. Now it does have to dry, so please let it dry and adhere to your skin. Oh gosh, that feels so good. It almost feels like skincare. It does. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm going to let it dry. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to do like a close-up. Okay? So that way you can really see what it looks like. Can you see the difference? Look at this side. Don't look at brown spots now. You can't. This doesn't help with that. But, oh, it just blurs. Just look at that. I love that. And it's a nice little sheen. And on this side, you know, it is what it is over here. But it does. So we're going to apply foundation. I'm going to go ahead and I want to do this side. But I wanted you to see the difference in what it looks like. Look at that. Over here. Over here. Yes. And it does dry pretty quickly. It kind of feels like skincare pretty much to me. So let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and apply this side, and then we're going to put on my foundation, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I did a spot treat with RMS. This is the color 22, and I put it right over that little brown spot there, which hopefully will be gone soon. And what we're going to start with, what I always love to start with first is the lighter color. So I just like to show you that I do use this. A lot of people go, well, man, you don't use that. Yeah, I do. I use it all the time. So I'm going to use BK Beauty's. This is 115 brush. It's a smaller one. And what I'm going to do is go over and just pat this in. Pat your grin. That's what I always say. You could call it stippling as well. So what I like to do is just stipple this on. We'll do half my face. That way you can see it, what it looks like. Now I am going to come back and add one shade darker because I just like that. I like the dimension that it gives. I think it's pretty on my skin. Look at that. It's a new me. Yeah. That's the way I look at it every day. I'm like, oh my goodness, your skin looks good, girlfriend. And yes, I have a scar there from a wreck, which was very painful. Let me say that. Now, I haven't put on any concealer yet, so we are going to use Younique's concealer. The new concealer is amazing. I did a video, I think last week, on that on here. Now, I'm going to grab a different brush, and we're going to use this color. This is the 3N, and we're going to grab a bigger brush. This is the 101 brush, yes. Take it, do the same thing. But what I like to do is come right along this area here, come down just a little, And I like to bring it up here on this side. See, I'm only doing one side for you so you can see how this works. And then I like to come down my nose with it. Just a little, and kind of under here for sure. I'm going to come over here anyway in just a few minutes, but I want to show you the difference. Look how pretty that is with that underneath it. Oh my goodness. That makes a big difference. Now, I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to kind of press it all into my skin because that's what I like to do. And you can put powder over this if you want to. So that's just up to you. There we go. I just want you to see how pretty that primer is coming through. You see it? It gives you such a beautiful glow. Oh my goodness. Y'all got to try it. You got to try it. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and then we'll come back and we'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it's going to be a thumbs up. Okay, I haven't put on any contouring except for under here. And I did put a little bit of this e.l.f. around my lips. Why'd I do that? Because I have lines. And this really does help. It's just their putty primer. And you can get this in Walmart, you know what I'm saying? Or Ulta, either one. And you're going to hear my boy barking in the background. Because my hubby's in there and they're having fun. Oh my goodness. Now, I am going to add some blush to this, just a little bit. I don't want a whole lot, but I do want to use my Wonder Stick and come right through here and through my nose, maybe just a tad here. I don't need it down here because I've already done that. And then just take your brush, something like this one, and you can just blend that out. That's my rescue doggy. It's been raining. He's just like, I'm going to get out of this house. Well, it looks like the sun might be coming out now. So if that's the case, then we could go take a walk and get that energy off of him. See how pretty that is? Oh my goodness. Now, let me just add some blush and let's finish this up, okay? So I added a little bit of this bronzer here. This is Too Faced. Love it. And I'll list everything so you don't have to worry. Oh my gosh, I love this. That primer's amazing. Okay, let's take a little bit of Pink Dahlia. This is by Anastasia. And we'll just use that as our blush today. I'm going to add a little there. Some there. I'm going to put a little bit there. Yes, you can. You can do whatever you want. You can. Play around with color. I love this color. I've had this color quite a while, but I do love to use it because I just think it's beautiful on the skin. It's light. It just gives you a nice little pink hue, glow. And I do love my Cheeky Love Letter. This is one of my favorites. And we can take a little bit of these. These are all matte. And I like using these two here, or these two here are pretty, or these two here. You could use all four. I have done that. So, but to keep this kind of light, I think I'm going to use these two bottom ones. And we'll just pop it right over that Pink Dahlia. Look at that. Come over my nose. A little up here. And a little there. Okay. Awesome. Then the only thing we have left to do is a lippy. And I don't know. Let's just do something simple and easy. This is Plush. This is Younique's little lip liner. And you know what we're going to do? We're just going to fill this in. Because, you know, it's Sunday. I'm not really doing much. And I really like... See how pretty that is? Oh, I love it. This goes with anything and everything. So let's do this. And let's do this. And he's going to be barking again. Would y'all like a dog? I love my dogs. I do. Mark, my hubby, is outside moving his truck around. And they feel left out. They think he's going somewhere, and he's really not. He's just moving it. Oh, it's so pretty. I mean, really, all you'd have to do is just use this, okay? That's it. Unless you want to add a little color to it. And I'm just going to take the same color that I used on my cheeks, and we're going to put it here. And we're just going to have a really light lip look using this. Isn't that pretty? See, now you're all cohesive and ready to go. What do you think? Okay, here's our last finishing touch. We're going to shake this up. This is my Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish. And we're going to take a beauty blender that is moist. This is a brand new one. And I'm going to set right through my T-zone with this. And it's going to give you such a beautiful glow. And I think that primer, face primer, is pretty amazing. It really does make your skin just look glowing. Love it. Of course, other good products too on top of it. Make it look good too. What do you think? I think you should try it. I really do. I think you will love it. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. And I hope you give this a try. I love the eyes. Oh, on my eyes, I will put what I have on my eyes too. It's Younique products as well. So, what do you think? All right. I hope you've learned something today, number one. And I hope to see you next weekend, okay? So, have a fabulous week. See you later.